ഉർമാസ് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സ്റ്റഡീസിൻ്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളൊരു പ്രത്യേക ക്ലാസ്സാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അടുത്ത മാസം PSC നടത്തുന്ന കേരള ഖാദി ആൻഡ് വില്ലേജ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസിലോട്ടുള്ള കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടർ പോസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് നടത്തുന്ന പരീക്ഷ, അത് അടുത്ത മാസം നടക്കുമെന്നാണ് അറിയിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അതിനുവേണ്ടി എല്ലാവരും തയ്യാറെടുത്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിലേക്ക് വരുന്ന ചില ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അതിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ് ഇന്നിവിടെ തരുന്നത്. അത് നിങ്ങൾ പലവട്ടം കേട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് കേട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ദി സ്ലോഗൻ ഓഫ് ദ 8th കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് കോൺഗ്രസ് ഈസ് ഡാഷ്. ആൻസർ, വൈവിധ്യങ്ങളിലൂടെ മുന്നോട്ട്, അതായത് ഓൺവേർഡ് വിത്ത് ഡൈവേഴ്സിറ്റി. രണ്ടാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ കൺസ്യൂമർ സ്റ്റോഴ്സ് ആർ ഇൻ ഡാഷ് ടയർ. ആൻസർ, 4 ടയർ. 3, പ്രൊവിഷൻ ഫോർ ബാഡ് ഡെറ്റ്സ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഈസ് ക്രിയേറ്റഡ് ബൈ ഡെബിറ്റിംഗ് ഡാഷ് അക്കൗണ്ട്. ആൻസർ, പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലോസ് അക്കൗണ്ട്. Germany is the birthplace of dash bank, land mortgage bank. Trial balance is prepared dash in a year. ഇവിടെ ഹാഫ് ഇയർലി, ക്വാർട്ടർലി, വൺസ് ഇൻ ഇയർ, എനി ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇതിൽ എനി ടൈമാണ് ആൻസർ ശരി. എപ്പോൾ വേണേൽ ട്രയൽ ബാലൻസ് തയ്യാറാക്കാം. Any irrecoverable portion of sundry debtors is termed as dash. Barred. Period for which the bill is drawn and accepted is known as dash. Term of the bill. Bank overdraft is a or an dash. Bank overdraft is a liability. Opening and closing entries are passed through dash. Answer, journal proper. Noting charge is an expense to the dash. Acceptor. The day book should be signed by dash. Chief executive. When goods are returned to the supplier, it is called dash. Purchase returns. Dash committee was appointed by the central government for cooperative farming. Yes, Jalingappa. Reserve created in the final account is the duty of dash. Auditor. Salary paid by check is credited to dash account. Bank account. By the act of dash, societies were classified as rural and urban. 1904 Act ആണ്. Payment of audit fee is a liability to society. A bill made payable at a future date is called time bill. Dash is one of the methods of misappropriation of cash. ഇവിടെ ഇൻകറക്റ്റ് പോസ്റ്റിങ്, ടീമിങ് ആൻഡ് ലാഡിങ്, കറപ്ഷൻ, നൺ ഓഫ് ദീസ് ആണ്. അതിനകത്ത് ടീമിങ് ആൻഡ് ലാഡിങ്. റിപ്പോർട്ടേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് കേരഫഡ് ഈസ് അറ്റ് ഡാഷ്, തിരുവനന്തപുരം. Travelers check is issued by dash type of banks. Commercial banks. Non-scheduled banks are also called as dash banks, private banks. What is meant by striking the balance? Balancing the account. Attachment before judgment dash, section 78. Appeal before cooperative tribunal is under section dash 82. An officer appointed to decide a dispute is an or a dash arbitrator or arbitration court. Section 68 deals with surcharge. Rule making power to government. Section 109. An officer appointed under section 68 of the Act is called dash, enquiry officer. Cooperative banking ombudsman in Kerala was introduced in dash 2010. A microfinance project introduced by Department of Cooperation in 2018 is known as Muttatte Mulla. Kerajam is the product of dash, market fed. If there is deflation, bank rate will be dash, lowered. Which of the following is not a product of Kera fed? Kera, Kera gold, Kera milk, Kera gas. Answer, Kera milk. R&D statement is a summary of dash, general ledger. While auditing, auditor found that large number of fake pledge jewels are kept in a cooperative bank under the head gold loan account. This comes under dash. Fraud. Entering less amount than what has been actually received is an example of dash, embezzlement of cash. Administrative control of Khadi and Village Industries is vested in dash. Secretary, Khadi and Village Industries Board. Chief Executive of a cooperative bank belongs to dash level management, top level management. SPCS, Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Society, established in dash as per Travancore Cooperative Societies Act 1914. 1945. Established in 1945 എന്നാണ് 1945 as per Travancore Cooperative Societies Act 1914. Product dash is a method used by Microsoft to prevent unlicensed use of its software. Activation. Which of the following is not an input device? Keyboard, joystick, hard drive, scanner. Hard drive. Windows is operating system, processing system, monitor display system, video game. Answer, operating system. Pictures on the display screen are made up of dash, bits, layer of colors, video packets, pixels. A person who designs, writes and tests computer programs is known as dash, computer programmer. Data communication systems spanning states, countries or the whole world is dash, WAN, 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 wide area network. To debug a system means dash, find and correct errors in the system. Dash refers to unauthorized copying and distribution of software, software piracy. To save an existing file with a new BAME or to a new location, the user should use dash command. Save as. Which one of the following is the process of starting or restarting a computer system? Hibernating, booting, sleeping, locking. Answer, booting. First fully computerized panchayat in Kerala. Chamravattam. First email novel in Malayalam. Nrittam. Which was the first country to give citizenship to a robot? Saudi Arabia. Dash is a type of computer virus that pretends to be a regular downloadable program, but once downloaded, it harms the computer. Trojan horse. The first antivirus program was dash, Reaper. Dash refers to email that appears to have been originated from one source when it was actually sent from another source. Answer, email spoofing. Which among the following is a malware program that replicates itself in order to spread to other computers. Computer virus, computer worm, Trojan, rootkit. Answer, computer worm. Dash is the modification of software to remove or disable features which are undisabled by a person. Software cracking. Which of the following is not harmful for computer? Spyware, cookies, virus, malware. Cookies. The act of creating misleading websites for the purpose of online identity theft is called dash. Phishing. Phishing. Which bank is known as Bankers Bank? RBI. Which bank is known as Bankers Bank? Reserve Bank of India. Answer. CRR refers to cash reserve ratio. EFT refers to electronic fund transfer. Which bank was introduced first ATM machine in India? HSBC. The practice of conducting banking transactions from home rather than at bank branches by means of electronic telecommunication known as dash. Home banking. ACR means dash. Agent's confidential report. Paperless banking is known as dash. EFT. Electronic fund transfer. When was the banking ombudsman scheme was introduced? 1995. Cash which is stored electronically on a microchip is called dash. E-purse. How many branches a unit bank have? No branches. Time period for bridge finance ranging from dash 2 weeks to 3 years. Aadhaar is dash. 12-digit number card, identity proof issued by UIDAI, both A and B, D none of these. The answer both A and B ആണ്. അതായത് 12-digit number കാർഡും അതുപോലെ identity proof issued by UIDAI. Which of the following is not a regulatory institution in Indian financial system? RBI, CIBIL, SEBI, IRDA. Answer, CIBIL. SEBI was established in dash 1988. RBI started functioning on 1st April 1935. Government bond is a dash, long-term security. Unit banking is also called dash, localized banking. Those banking services based on the voice processing facility available with the bank computers. Telebanking. Surrender of policy is not applicable in dash, general insurance. FDR means dash, fixed deposit receipts. The pension scheme for cooperative employees was started in dash, 1993. Section 62 of KCS Act deals with dash, gratuity. The receipts and payments account begins with the dash balance, debit balance. Which year was declared as the year of Kayar by Kayar Board? 2010. The first DCB in Kerala launched ATM facility, Ernakulam DCB. Name the weekly periodical published by Swedish Cooperative Union. WE now. Final adjudication of dispute made by arbitrator is called dash, award. Maximum amount of education fund is limited up to dash 60,000. Non-financial transactions are not recorded in account books because a dash concept, money measurement concept. The minimum number of persons required to form a meeting is known as dash quorum. In an apex society, government nomination is done by dash, government. The unclaimed dividend will be shown as dash, liability. The headquarters of Petrophils Cooperative Limited is at dash, Baroda. In camels, 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 C stands for dash, capital adequacy. Showrooms of Kerala State Handicrafts Apex Cooperative Society is dash, Surabhi. Showrooms of Kerala State Handicrafts Development Corporation is dash, Kairali. The Kerala State Handicraft Apex Cooperative Society ആണെങ്കിൽ സുരഭി, ഹാൻഡിക്രാഫ്റ്റ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് കോർപ്പറേഷൻ്റെ ആണെങ്കിൽ കൈരളി. Audit fee in Coir Cooperative Societies is calculated on sale proceeds. Detection and prevention of errors is dash, object of audit. A book or diary kept under the custody of auditor is called audit notebook. Super profit method is used in the valuation of dash, goodwill. ഇവിടെ 100 ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ ഏതെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വരുമെന്ന് നമുക്ക് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാം. എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് അത് കേട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കി പോയി പരീക്ഷ എഴുതുക. എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ല ഒരു വിജയം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.